Welcome to Bot 10 Art. My name is Lazaro Gomez, and today we're gonna make one of these. It's a star versus the forces of evil one. So let's get started. I used Bondo on a 4-inch floral foam ball, and that gave it a hard shell to attach other pieces to it. So after 15 minutes, you're able to sand it down, and it's a good material to work with. Then I moved on to modeling using original Scopi. I modeled the butterfly that goes on the front and the back of the wand. Now it's ready for molding. I used Umu 25 by Smooth On, and to make the copies I used amazing resin. Once that was done, I 3D printed parts, sanded them down, and applied them to my prop. I then got some scrap pieces of wood, and I traced out what was going to be the wings for the wand. Once that was complete, I can move on to sanding. I used a 400 to 1000 wet dry sandpaper to make everything super smooth. Then once I was done with all the sanding, I gave it a nice coat of primer. I applied all the other pieces that I had worked on, and then I started putting the final touches on the wand by painting it its purple color. And just like that, you have a Star versus the Forces of Evil wand. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to click on these or hit subscribe. That way you know when I upload a video next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.